Hello guys, in this video we will see how to make video call using Nepal Telecom SIM card without internet and for absolutely free. So for this, what you need to do is you need to buy a voice pack. For this you can dial *1415# and press this, and you can purchase any voice pack you like. It depends upon you. You just purchase it, then you dial *444#, press dial button. Remember, before doing this, your mobile must support VoLTE and 4G. So for this, once if you are confirmed that it supports VoLTE and 4G, you dial *444#, and then you can press 2 and send. I will not do it now because I have already VoLTE activated now. Once you are done with this, just go to your mobile settings, then connections, then mobile networks, and you can see here VoLTE calls NTC. You just turn it on. You go to airplane mode, turn it on. After 5 seconds you turn it off, and you can see a VoLTE sign being displayed here just to the side of your mobile network at the top. And once you will see the VoLTE, you need to repeat the process in other mobile as well, but not necessarily that other mobile should also buy a voice pack. The mobile from which you will be making outgoing call, that mobile only need to buy a voice pack. And once you are done with this, you can just dial any number, and you will see, I will dial 9858888 whatever, and you can see here video call option. And once you press this, you will be able to make a video call through your SIM card without internet. And don't worry, no extra charges will be deducted. Only your voice pack minute will be deducted, meaning if you make a video call for 5 minutes, your voice call 5 minutes will be deducted. No extra charge for making video call. But you can make video call without even voice pack also, but at that time in Namaste SIM, for voice call you will be charged 1 rupees plus tax, but for making video calls you will be charged 2 rupees plus tax. So it is better to buy a voice pack and then make a video call for free. You won't be charged for making video call if you buy a voice pack. It is applicable to all voice pack, and in this way you can make calls to your friends through video call without having internet. Thank you.